People ask me all the time, they say, Louis, what's the hardest part of growing a business, growing a brand? The hardest part of growing a business is taking that first step. People think about it for years and years and years and years and months and months and months, and finally something triggers them to get off their butt and move forward and put aside the fears that have been holding them back, because for years they wanted to do it, but they've had bills to pay, they've had kids to feed, they've had anxiety, they've had depression, they've got health conditions and relationship problems, financial problems, and they were scared that, what if I fail? But then for some reason, they woke up one day and said, wait a minute, if I fail, I can always go back to what I was doing before. But if I take that first step, if I take that risk, if I step outside my comfort zone from the known to the unknown, maybe my life will change for the better. And I've watched thousands and thousands and tens of thousands of people from across the world do just that. There's the most amazing stories that have melted my heart. Come back going, Louis, I was scared, I was nervous, I am living my dream, I'm making money. Thank you for kicking me in the butt and making this happen. I didn't do anything. I just encouraged you to chase your dreams and your passions and let you know that life will be there regardless. But step outside your comfort zone. Get uncomfortable. It's going to feel weird, but that's okay. We all need to retrain our brain and look to the future.